What is investment? The secret to building wealth. Imagine this. You're 60 years old, looking back at your life. One version of you is free, traveling the world, living in a beautiful home, financially stress-free. The other version, still working, struggling with bills, and wondering where it all went wrong. What made the difference? One simple concept: investment. The truth is, the wealthiest people in the world aren't just earning money, they're making their money work for them. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how investment can change your life forever. Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal a surprising investment secret that most people overlook. But it's the key to building real wealth. All right, let's dive in. Why you can't afford not to invest. Here's a hard truth. If you're not investing, you're losing money every single day. Sounds dramatic? Well, let's talk about inflation. Imagine you have $10,000 sitting in your bank account. You feel safe, right? But in 20 years, that $10,000 won't buy what it does today. Inflation slowly eats away at your purchasing power. And if your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. The average inflation rate in the US is about 3%. That means your money is losing value over time. Think of it as an invisible money thief, slowly draining your future wealth. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what if I just save more? Great question. Let's run a quick scenario. You save $1,000 per month for 30 years. That's $360,000. Sounds like a lot, right? But if you invest that same amount, earning an average return of 8%, you'd have over $1.5 million. That's the power of investment. And if you're not doing it, you're falling behind. Understanding investment. So, what exactly is investment? Simply put, investing is putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time. These assets can be stocks, real estate, businesses, or even commodities like gold. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Wait, doesn't investing mean I could lose money? Yes, but here's the key. Risk is a part of growth. Smart investors don't avoid risk, they manage it. Let's break this down. 1. Stocks. You're buying a piece of a company. If that company grows, so does your money. 2. Real estate. Buying property that appreciates over time or generates rental income. 3. Index funds. A diversified way to invest in the stock market without picking individual stocks. 4. Entrepreneurship. Investing in your own business to create wealth on your terms. Each of these has risks, but there's a simple formula to protect yourself. Invest wisely, stay consistent, and think long-term. But there's one investment strategy that can turn a few dollars into a fortune, and almost no one talks about it. I'll reveal it in a moment. How to make investment work for you. All right, so we know investing is essential, but how do you start? Here's your step-by-step plan. 1. Set clear goals. Are you investing for retirement, a home, financial freedom? Your goal determines your strategy. 2. Start small. You don't need thousands to begin. Even $50 per month can grow into something massive over time. 3. Be consistent. The market goes up and down, but long-term consistency beats short-term fear. 4. Reinvest earnings. This is where the magic happens. The secret investment weapon: compounding interest. This is how the wealthy multiply their money without working harder. When your investments earn returns, and those returns generate more returns, your wealth grows exponentially. And if you want to see exactly how compounding turns small investments into millions, well, I've got something special for you. What's next? If you're serious about building wealth, you cannot ignore compounding. So, here's your next step. Click the video on the screen right now, the one titled, The Power of Compounding: How to Turn Pennies into Millions. In that video, I'll show you the exact numbers, examples, and strategies that the rich use to multiply their money effortlessly. Don't wait. Every day you delay is money left on the table. Click it now, and I'll see you there.